Having trouble activating your Airalo package? You're not alone. Understanding why activation issues occur is the first step to resolving them quickly. Airalo serves over 5 million users globally as of 2025, and while their activation success rate has improved to 94.2%, issues can still arise. Let's explore the main reasons why your package might not activate. The first major category is device compatibility issues. Older smartphones may lack eSIM capability entirely, and devices locked to specific carriers can prevent activation. Additionally, outdated operating system versions may not support the latest eSIM protocols. Network configuration is another frequent culprit. Incorrect APN settings are among the most common issues. The access point name tells your device how to connect to the mobile network, and wrong settings will prevent data connectivity. Data roaming settings and network selection can also cause problems. If data roaming is disabled, your eSIM won't connect to foreign networks. Conflicts between manual and automatic network selection can prevent proper activation. Understanding how automatic network selection works helps explain many activation failures. Your device follows a specific process to find and connect to available networks, and interruptions in this process can cause issues. Account and purchase-related issues can also prevent activation. Failed payments, regional restrictions where certain packages aren't available, or incomplete account verification can all be the cause of activation problems. Finally, keeping your device operating system and Airalo app updated is crucial to avoid compatibility issues. Regular updates include bug fixes and improvements that can significantly increase your activation success rate. Understanding these common activation issues, device compatibility, network configuration, account problems, and software updates helps you identify and resolve problems more quickly when they occur. When your Airalo package won't activate, don't panic. Here are proven troubleshooting steps that resolve most activation issues quickly and effectively. Step 1. Always verify device compatibility before making any purchase. This prevents most activation failures from occurring in the first place. Step 2. Ensure you have a stable internet connection during the activation process. A weak or intermittent connection is a common cause of activation failures. Step 3. Restart your device. This simple action resolves 45% of all activation issues. It clears temporary files and resets network connections. Step 4. Verify your network settings. Make sure data roaming is enabled and the correct network is selected. These settings are crucial for eSIM activation. Step 5. If activation fails initially, try rescanning the QR code. Sometimes the first scan doesn't capture all the data correctly, and a fresh scan resolves the issue. Step 6. If you're still experiencing problems, use the in-app chat support. Airalo's support team responds in under 15 minutes on average and can resolve complex technical issues. Pro tip: users who take time to read the setup instructions have a 23% higher success rate. Those few extra minutes of preparation can save you significant troubleshooting time later.